Check it out, guys. He was working on the frame. Looking good. See what Alyssa's up to. Oh, honey! Hey.
Hi.
What are you up to?
Steaming the shower curtain so it looks pretty.
Ooh.
You know, because it was super wrinkly from storing it. Look what I did to the mirror.
Ooh, steamy. She wanted it to be like a spa.
Yeah, that's why I have the fan on, because I know people are going to get on us about moisture in the air.
Uh-oh. Moisture in the air.
But when you shower, that's what happens anyway, so...
Love is in the air. Moisture everywhere. It's my new hit song titled Moisture.
Anyhow, almost done. It's a mini steamer, so it doesn't have as much water in it. Figured I'd get things to prep so we can start taking photos.
Question, can we bring a mini steamer on a cruise ship?
No.
There's your answer, guys. I know you were thinking it, not just me.
No irons, no steamers, no nothing.
So, might start a fire.
At night, somehow we don't feel warm despite this crowded plastic echo chamber, mumbling alone.
Just an update, guys. Look how much flooring we've got done since starting. It may not look like a lot, but it feels like a lot.
Making progress, because it's cutting.
Yep. So the dramatic change here was us being able to use a skill saw. So it looks good so far, and the island is coming together quite nicely. So moving and grooving today. What's new?
Hi. Look at this.
Guys, look what he has completed.
Well, I'm just trying to make sure it fits. It'll be perfect.
That looks good. I can't wait to take a bath in that. Look how huge this sucker is. Man, no, that's a sink.
Yep, that looks nice.
Yep. Okay, I remember when I do the countertop. It's because it's coming past
So
to notch it, because that has to be right.
And this is nice. Another chopping area, I guess.
You'll have a space to work there. A little tiny space there, but when you're doing dishes, set stuff there and then in there. It'll be cool.
Yes. And if you want your RV built, contact jeff.com. Guys, check it out. The floor in the bathroom is done. So I just gotta put the toilet back. How you feel?
I'm doing okay. In the trim, around everything.
And the trim. But we're done. Kinda. What's next?
Well, I guess the floor in here. We need to figure out how it's gonna go under the slide. It looks like we need at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-ish pieces. And then I'm about to go sew some cushions.
Woo woo. So I'll try to meet you in there after I semi-do whatever's in here. It is all in place. Now, you'll see here where Jeff's gonna come up with a creative idea to put the flooring over there and put like a little edge or trim or lip, whatever you want to call it. But the floor is down and it looks good. So to get these little corners and stuff like that and underneath the slide, you can see my main tools I had to use here, like a little grappling hook to kind of pull it down a little bit. But what I ended up transitioning to was using this crowbar to kind of wedge in and then pull. So I'll show you here. I had to kind of like wedge in and then push, and I used the hammer to kind of snap it in place. But it looks so good. We're really happy with it. We just got to finish this piece right here and we'll be good to go. So we still have to do the steps, but if you walk all the way through here, you can see the floor has been put down all the way wrapped around. We'll cover the vents and it's all the way done. So that was the major project here, the cushions, and or at least these are the pillows, but curtains are up. Like, oh man, it has come so far. Now, as far as the island, it's not complete yet, obviously, but I think he's going to end up finishing it this weekend, or probably come out later today. I'm not sure. But we'll paint, well not paint, we'll actually sand, prime, and then paint this baby green and clean everything up, put the furniture in, and we should be good to go. I am really excited that we are come to an end. Alyssa, she is upstairs, definitely sewing and finishing up the cushions here, but we're about wrapped up, almost done. Now, if you haven't been following us from the very beginning, you can always go ahead and click this right up here. It'll take you to the beginning of the playlist. You can watch our renovation series, like all together in one little playlist, and see everything we've done from start of purchasing this RV all the way to like gutting it out and then renovating. It has been a process, for sure. But guys, as always, if you dig the vibes, please subscribe, and if you care, please share. We'll see you guys in paradise very soon.